It's officially back to school season, which means one thing at my house: school lunches are in motion. Now, I'm always looking for ways to switch up the boys' lunch options, so I've swapped the store-bought fruit snacks for DIY roll-up fruit leather, which couldn't be easier to make with C&H organic raw cane sugar. As a mom of 4, it's been my go-to sugar for years, no matter what I'm baking. All you need to do is blend together the sugar with strawberries and then pour the mixture onto a lined baking sheet and spread it into an even layer. This whole tray gets popped into a 170-degree Fahrenheit oven for about 3 hours or until the mixture's dehydrated but still a touch sticky. Once it's completely dry, you pop a piece of wax paper on top and then slice the sheet into long strips and roll up the snacks. These homemade treats are a perfect fit in school lunchboxes, and they'll actually last up to a week when stored in an airtight container. That's simple, sweet school lunch success.